Cough and cold are very common nowadays. As the season changes, many of us get cough, cold and sneezing. But don't worry, in this video, I am going to tell you 3 home remedies that will cure your cough and cold related issues without using single medicine. So let's get started. Remedy number 1, ginger honey tea, best for cold and sore throat. Take a ginger, peel its skin. Now cut it into pieces and grate it. Heat half liter water. Add grated ginger, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, crushed 4 to 5 black pepper, 1 by 8 tablespoon turmeric powder. Boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon honey or as per taste. Squeeze half lemon. Strained boiled ginger water. Stir it. Ginger honey tea is ready. This tea is more effective than any medicine or antibiotics. Drink this tea slowly, sip by sip, and enjoy it. After having this tea, don't eat anything at least for 1 hour. Remedy number 2 is to take steam. One of the simplest way to open up blocked nose and to get relief from congestion and cold is to take steam. For this, you can take a steamer or simply boil water in a large container. Sit and cover face with a towel. Take deep breath and breathe out slowly. Steam for about 3 to 4 minutes and you can take rest. And again you can take steam. It will clear your blocked nose and respiratory system and increases blood circulation. Remedy number 3 is salt and water gargles. This remedy is very simple and helps to soothe sore throat. Simply boil 1 glass of water. Now add half tablespoon of salt in it. Stir it. Now use this mixture to gargle. It is very effective to soothe sore throat. I hope you find this video useful. If you want more health and nutrition related videos, then do subscribe Health Blessings and press the bell icon button to get notification for every video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, eat healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.